Hi, I'm Dr. Barry Schiff from Cardio Mender MD, and today I'm going to introduce a product that we never had before, but many people have asked for: bagels and cream cheese. We've got a zero net carb bagel here. Today I'm going to make an everything bagel, which is just about ready. I'm going to take it out of the toaster, and I'm going to put some high protein, low fat cream cheese on it. And what you see inside the container is 2 tablespoons. You only need about 1 tablespoon of cream cheese to make this. And spread it on there. It's pretty good, pretty thick. I'm going to top it off with some chives. There it is. Enjoy.